Good day, everybody. Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I wanted to talk about when you should pay off a collection. I always advise that there's 2 times you should pay off a collection. Number 1 is if the collection is small and the creditor agrees to remove it from your credit report when you pay it. If they don't agree to remove it from your credit report, I don't recommend that you pay it, okay? If the collection is big, you should try disputing it before you even attempt paying it, okay? And number 2 is if you get sued. If you are going to get sued from that creditor for that collection, I recommend that you pay for it. That way it doesn't go that far. That way they don't sue you. Those are the only 2 times that I recommend that you pay off a collection. If they remove it when you pay it, or if 2, you're getting sued. It got that far and you're getting sued if you don't pay it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you could comment or call me directly. Thank you very much.